Welcome to the first vlog of this channel. So Gardener, which are a company that create watering systems and equipment for gardens, sent me a package, and in there I got a hose pipe. I also got a new hose nozzle, which I'm really excited about, and also a irrigation, I don't know what you call it. What do you call it? Well, one of these things, and these are great because you simply plug them in to the hose and then you leave them and it basically waters for you. And even though in Wales we do have a lot of rain, like it's raining at the moment, it is also important that because we have such an abundance of water to actually make use of it. We are in a very fortunate position where we hardly ever run out of water. But even when it is dry, it's important that we do keep things watered because it just gives them a bit of a help. So we always have to water inside the solar tunnel. So we've got the salad coming along nicely. In this bed, there's mainly going to be salad and squash, but the bed on the other side, I've got some peas for shoots growing at the moment. And probably in two, maybe 3 weeks, I'll be planting out the tomatoes. But also outside, we will get, usually most summers, a period of 1 to 2 weeks of absolutely no water at all. So it's really important that we have the right infrastructure set up to be able to water it and give them a bit of a helping boost, just to help stop vegetables from bolting, which is something that they do when there's lots of warm weather and not enough water. So I really want to thank Gardener for supplying the infrastructure to make sure that we're all safe and ready for this summer if we do have hopefully some nice warm and dry weather. It's been a bit of a funny day. We're having frequent showers, and it means that at the moment Dad has actually been getting the raised bed ready for planting out some more broad beans, and we've got some Swiss chard which we're moving over to the other bed. But because we keep on having these showers, he had to escape, and because I was planting in the solar tunnel, there wasn't really enough space for both of us. But it looks like it's brightening up again, so we can get ahead with transplanting the Swiss chard, which you can see down there. We're moving it over to this bed here, and here we've got the broad beans, and we've got some more broad beans to transplant, so we can get on with that. So yes, I'm finally doing it. I'm starting a vlog. Now, I know I do a lot of how-to tutorials on this channel, but something that I haven't really been doing is showing you the day by day of what goes on in the garden. So I don't really know the frequency of how many vlogs I'll be doing, but something that I really want you to get from this is basically an insight into what's going on, and also give you a few tips on the way. So hopefully it'll be something entertaining, but at the same time something valuable. I'm now going to show you an area of the garden which you don't really see on HuwsNursery. This is basically the top half. We've got the solar tunnel, but this area here is basically the top part of the garden. We've got 4 raised beds, and behind you can see some hay, where we're testing the Ruth Stout method of growing food to see if we can adapt it to the UK climate. And I saw the potatoes, and those are beginning to root, which is really exciting. But what we have here is basically, it's a bit scrappy, and it's all going to be changed very soon. Very soon we're going to be redoing these raised beds and actually adding some more in to the area, which is really exciting. The raspberries over there, they're doing all right. This was meant to be our asparagus bed, but unfortunately the asparagus never came through, and we planted those, I think it might have been the year before last, but that never materialized into anything. And also we've got strawberries here which just need a bit of weeding. We're gonna probably take up the black plastic and we'll put in the new beds there just around the perimeter so we don't have to dig out all of the strawberries. So whilst Dad carries on with that, it's time to do some strimming. Why all the trimming? Well, there are two main reasons, and the first one is that because slugs are becoming more prominent now, it's really good to keep down on the long grass just to reduce places for them to hide. And secondly, which is probably more exciting for me, is that tomorrow a photographer from The Guardian is coming. Today's been a fairly strange day weather-wise. It started off with quite a lot of rain and drizzle and it was really murky, and then around 2-3 o'clock things started to look a lot brighter, and now it's really nice. I'm going to conclude today's vlog right now. It's about 6 p.m. I've been out in the garden since 11. Now I know it was a late start, but I was quite limited with what I could do with the weather. I have managed to sow some climbing beans and also some green orache. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's a Japanese green that grows about 60 centimeters high, so that's something new that I'm trying. What else did I also managed to sow some Swiss chard as well, or it's perpetual spinach I think, in some modules. So a lot has been done. The garden is looking nice and tidy, hopefully nice tomorrow for the shooting. So thank you very much for watching. I'd love to know your thoughts about this format and see you again soon. Goodbye.